Hello YouTube. I thought I would do a video to show you the Huawei Mate 20 Pro that I bought recently from wowcamera.com. I thought the site was maybe a bit dodgy. Didn't know if I'd receive the proper model, but it seems like this is the real deal. It's a sealed box, Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Let's see if I can get this to focus. It's the dual SIM model, L29. Yeah, pretty happy it's got it. It doesn't come with the UK adapter in the box, but they do ship you a separate adapter, and who cares, right? We all charge our phones on USB anyway, so I'm pretty happy as long as it's got a Huawei warranty, and it seems like, if you can read this, it's the European Luxembourg model, which to me, there we are, just focusing, means that I can claim any warranty on it. So, all good. Let's open this thing up and see what we get inside. If you guys in the UK are ordering the same thing as me, I just thought this might give you a bit of confidence ordering from Wow Camera. I didn't get this for free from them. I'm not a YouTuber. Just thought I'd help out the interested. So let's open up the sealed box. It was £615, which is a pretty good deal considering it's still around £800 at every other site. So almost £200 off the retail, I think, in the UK anyway. That's great British pounds to those outside of England. Okay, so we'll open her up. See the phone. Nice and sealed. It's the 20 Pro. Comes in a nice little dust-free wallet. I'll open that up in a sec. Let's see what else we got in the box. Guff. Manual. Who needs a manual? We're all men. Okay. There's the European USB adapter with, I think, a USB-C cable. Yeah, so I'll be using that. That's useless to me. Nice little set of Apple headphones. Obviously they're not Apple, but they look pretty much the same. White cable, I don't know why, considering the phone's green. And what's this? It comes with a little USB to headphone adapter. USB-C to headphone, if you can see that. So let's see if I can focus again. Yep, so play some tunes. And I was told that this may come with like a jelly style case for free with it, but that doesn't seem to be the case, unless I missed it out of one of these other boxes. No. So no case that comes with it. I was wrongly informed there. Let's open up the phone itself just to see if it's a decent model, the right one. It looks perfect, to be honest. Oh wow, there's the fingerprint magnet. That is going to look shiny for about 2 seconds in my hands, but it does look very shiny and lovely. Let's take a look. This is the emerald green version. I didn't go for the twilight. It seems everyone's buying twilight with this model. Went for something a little bit different. You can't really see the green on this camera. It's almost like a cyan green. And the phone itself just is pristine. It looks beautiful. Let's see if it comes with any power. Yeah, we've got a bit of charge. OLED screen. I think it's 1440p. and a 4,400 milliamp battery, I believe. Up she comes. Focusing on that. Right, that's it really. It was just an unboxing, just to show you that wowcamera.com's legit. Got a really good phone, all sealed package, and they also threw in a UK adapter because it doesn't come with the one that they obviously sourced from somewhere in Europe. Took about 4 days to get here. Good company, it seems. I got my box in the UK. Hopefully you get yours. Cheers, everyone.